Protein modeling is one of the most important techniques in bioinformatics. It helps us predict and understand the structure of proteins for our research. It's used for proteins whose structures haven't been determined experimentally, and we need them for things like designing drugs, developing vaccines, and discovering new protein features. There are several ways to do protein modeling, and each one uses a different approach, like homology modeling, fold recognition or threading, ab initio or de novo prediction, and deep learning. In homology modeling, we use proteins with known 3D structures as template to predict the tertiary structure of our target protein. Here, sequence similarity forms the basis of the prediction. This approach can be implemented using specialized tools such as Swiss Model and Modeler to build our protein structure. The second category is fold recognition, also called threading. This method is useful for proteins that don't have any close or reliable sequence matches determined experimentally. In this method, the algorithm checks the energy and shape of available proteins to find the most similar one and use it as a template, even if their sequences are not the same. iTaser, HHPred, and Fire2 use fold recognition method. I should add that iTaser and Fire2 are hybrid and use several categories. In de novo modeling, no template is used. Instead, the structure is predicted based on physical and chemical principles. The protein is folded into the shape with the lowest energy. Rosetta is a classic tool for ab initio modeling, and Quark is another one that works in similar way. The last approach is deep learning, which is employed by both AlphaFold and ColabFold. Deep learning predicts protein structures by learning from known proteins. Neural networks figure out which angles are common in amino acids and how different parts of protein connect, then use this information to predict the 3D shape. It's usually faster and more accurate than older methods. Based on your project and the protein you want to model, you can choose one or two approaches to predict the 3D structure.